How to delete playlist from Spotify. Hey everybody and welcome back. In this quick video, we are going to step-by-step guide you on doing so. So I just dive right in with the video and get started. We can start by opening up Spotify directly, Spotify application, or you can even go to spotify.com, the web version of the app, and log in if you're not logged in into your account. Now, in order to view your playlist, what you can do is from this particular interface, directly look out for the option called your library and go ahead and tap on it, and that will open up your library page like this, and your playlist section appears in this page. Here you can just go and look out for the playlist and artists that you like. Now, in order to go ahead and delete the playlist, what you can do is you can basically find the playlist and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you should be finding a three dot option right in the playlist. You can tap on it and you'll be finding a menu pop up. Now, if you want to delete the playlist, you can just scroll down from the given options and you will be finding an option called delete playlist. You can just go and tap on that option. After that, you can just go and confirm this pop-up right here. And when you confirm the pop-up, you can see the playlist being removed instantly. You can just go and follow up this method for that. You can follow up the same process for any other playlist as well that you want to delete and confirm the process, and that will delete the playlist for you. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.